Welcome to Citron's Kitchen. Today we are making a delicious maple syrup cornbread recipe. As always, the ingredients and measurements needed are listed below in the description box. So let's get started. First, we are going to start off with 2 boxes of Jiffy's cornbread mix. After pouring the mix into a bowl, I am going to follow the directions that are given to me on the side of the box. Because I'm making 2 boxes, I will be adding in 2 eggs as recommended. And 2/3 cup of milk. Now that everything is added in as recommended on the side of the box, the remaining ingredients that I will be pouring in will be my own personal touches. After giving the batter a nice mix, I am going to add in 2 tablespoons of melted, salted butter. This butter is going to loosen up and moisturize the cornbread. Now that my butter is added and mixed in, I am going to sweeten things up by adding in a 1/4 cup of honey. In addition to the honey, I will be adding in a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. After giving everything a nice mix, you are gonna butter up a pan and then transfer your mix into the pan for baking. Bake the cornbread at 350 as recommended on the side of the box. I personally baked my batter for 25 to 30 minutes. After your cornbread is done baking, remove it from the oven and spread some butter all over the top of the cornbread. After the butter, use a knife to create small pockets, and within those pockets, we are going to drizzle honey all over and inside of the cornbread. Once this step is done, allow your cornbread to cool for 15 to 20 minutes before cutting into it and enjoying it. And that is it. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please leave a comment below and like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.